Neci potrwana dabi? 8 जनवरी 2022 अच्छा वेरी सैड डैडी द ग्रेट तम दो छा फाक 8 जनवरी 2022 आजा 15 जनवरी कम दो 2006 मजे Shuraveri. It's very sad, but then life goes on. Life has to go on. That is the philosophy of life. Ladies and gentlemen. अच्छा बे क्या छु नेच पतर में बे क्या वुचुद मोला? This is the almanac of Kashmiri Pandits for the last 5097 years. Counting till date. Today is, ladies and gentlemen, my mom, Shanta cares best. She cannot live without this panchang, without this, almanac, what we say in Kashmiri. Nechpatar? अच्छा पगा चाहिए शिशर संक्रांत तो बे मकर संक्रांत बे पोंगल
ना पगा शिखर संक्रांत है
अब पगा छुट्टी शुक्रवार दो and today is today is 13th January 2022 and mom wants to have a look on the all the important dates of the month about this this very sad of course क्या करे इंसान क्या करे वनी यम छ सरी छ गलत छ ये वनी मुश्किल छ वनी क्या हुआ तम छ फाक ना चलो वन सरी very sad पाछो वन छ very sad but what can we do चलो मला वनी मुछ छ नच पतो मुछ छ वनी sorry dates मुछ छ वनी
वन छी पगा आज मंगल साथ गुरुवार आज मंगल साथ पगा छ ये Dadeshi Pagachi Makar Sankranti.
So, ladies and gentlemen, what mom is doing is that just having a look at the almanac, at the Nechpatar, at the Panchang, at the book, the religious book, the relic of Kashmiri Pandits for the last 5097 years. Counting from day 0 till today, that is 13th January 2022. 5097 years. You can just see that. I want to just show you. Explain how many? Second. I'll just show you that. What I say it means. It is Vijayshwar Panchang. It was the new year on day 13th April 2021. It will go up to 2022. You just see that all Omkar in Hindus and all other religions in the world, be it in Sikhs, be it in Islam, be it in Zoroastrians and others. You just see, ladies and gentlemen, that is 5097 years. That is Saptrishi Samvat. And for rest of India, it is Vikrami Samvat. That is 2078 years. Last year on 13th April 2021 it was Happy New Year and it has to be seen. It is the Bible, it is the Panchang for the last 5097 years, even during the Exodus, even during the last 31 years of exile of Kashmiri Pandits all over the world. This is being referred to for all the important dates and the daily life and the daily lifestyle, do and do nots of daily life. Not live like animals, live like responsible people, citizens of the world. That is the message of this very important 5097 years of Kashmiri Pandits Panchang, which is known as, this is in Sharda Lipi and this is in Hindi. It's also published in Urdu. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, 5097 years this almanac we have been referring to. Thank you. God bless. Thank you. चलो पाइकी मोला गुबरी जय हो।